Let's get right to the market action an hour before the close to see how the major indices are faring at the moment. As you can see, all three in negative territory. We see the Dow there down by about 1/3%, the S&P down by about 1%, still off its session lows, and the Nasdaq, they're down the most, about 1.2%. Now, obviously, boosted earlier by August retail sales data, which beat expectations at 0.3%. Still sluggish, but it did show that consumers are still willing to spend amid high inflation. And then, of course, new unemployment benefit claims also fell to the lowest level in more than 3 years. But that optimism tested markets this afternoon. Investors still bracing for more rate hikes, of course, at the upcoming Fed meeting. Now let's shift gears here and go to the interactive to really take a look at some of the sector action that we're seeing. We're seeing that healthcare is leading the way at the moment, along with financials, and they're dragging it down at the bottom. You have utilities and, of course, energy there down about 2.7% on the day. So I want to take a look at what we're seeing with oil as we get you up to speed with oil. As we're speaking of those commodities there, as we see WTI there falling more than 4% there, trying to bounce off those session lows, but still in tough territory. And when it comes to Brent, same situation there, off almost 4% as well. Now, we're seeing that that's after the U.S. Energy Department quashed rumors from earlier this week about potentially refilling the Strategic Petroleum Reserve when oil prices fall below $80. Now, the Energy Department says there is no trigger price to restock those emergency reserves, and they, quote, anticipate replenishment would not occur until well into the future, likely after fiscal year 2023. But still, a volatile week indeed for oil, as you can see so far.